Are you tired of spending money on expensive supplements like collagen, protein powders, and multivitamins? What if I told you that there are natural, powerful health drinks that can replace all of these? In this video, we're going to share 3 incredible health drinks that can naturally boost your skin, hair, and muscle health without the need for all those supplements. These drinks are not only nutritious but also delicious and easy to make at home. Stick around till the end for a bonus recipe that combines all the benefits in one drink. By the way, make sure to explore the description box for hand-picked products I've found with great reviews on Amazon and other stores. We all know the importance of taking care of our health, but the shelves at health stores can be overwhelming. Collagen, protein powder, multivitamins, the list goes on. It's easy to feel like we need all these products just to maintain our wellness. But what if nature already provides us with everything we need? In today's video, I'll introduce you to 3 natural health drinks that can replace collagen supplements, protein powders, and even multivitamins. Let's get started. 1. Aloe Vera Juice. Nature's collagen booster. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping our skin firm, elastic, and youthful. While many people turn to collagen supplements to combat aging, there's a natural alternative that's just as powerful. Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that nourish your skin and body from the inside out. The best part? It helps stimulate your body's natural collagen production, so you don't need to rely on animal-based supplements. Here's why aloe vera juice is a great collagen replacement. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E. These antioxidants help protect your skin from free radical damage, keeping it youthful and glowing. Hydrates and heals the skin. Aloe vera juice is known for its incredible hydrating properties. It nourishes your skin, keeping it soft and supple. Boosts collagen production naturally. Aloe vera contains plant compounds like sterols that encourage your body to produce more collagen on its own. How to make aloe vera juice. Start by cutting a fresh aloe vera leaf and extracting the gel. Mix the gel with water and a dash of lemon juice to enhance flavor. Drink a glass of this refreshing juice daily to boost your skin's health and get the benefits of natural collagen production. Pro tip: aloe vera juice can also be applied directly to the skin for added hydration and healing. 2. Spirulina Smoothie. The protein powerhouse. If you're looking for a natural protein source that can replace your whey or plant-based protein powders, spirulina is the answer. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It's incredibly rich in protein and contains all the essential amino acids your body needs, making it a complete protein source. Here's why spirulina is a fantastic protein powder replacement. High protein content. Spirulina contains about 60 to 70% protein by weight, which is even higher than most animal-based protein sources. Contains essential amino acids. Unlike many plant-based proteins, spirulina is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. Rich in vitamins and minerals, spirulina is packed with B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants, providing additional benefits beyond just protein. How to make a spirulina smoothie. Blend 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder with your favorite plant-based milk, almond, oat, or coconut work great. Add a banana or some berries for sweetness, along with a handful of spinach for extra greens. Blend it all together, and you've got a protein-rich smoothie that's perfect for post-workout recovery or as a meal replacement. Pro tip: start with small amounts of spirulina, as the flavor can be strong. You can gradually increase the amount as you get used to the taste. 3. Turmeric Golden Milk. Your multivitamin in a glass. Multivitamins are a staple in many people's daily routines, but did you know you can get all the benefits of a multivitamin in one simple drink? Enter Turmeric Golden Milk. This ancient Ayurvedic beverage is packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a fantastic natural alternative to synthetic multivitamins. Here's why Turmeric Golden Milk is the perfect multivitamin replacement. Rich in antioxidants. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant that helps fight free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body, packed with vitamins and minerals. When combined with ingredients like ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper, golden milk becomes a powerhouse of essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin D, calcium, and magnesium. boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Golden milk has been used for centuries to support immune health and reduce inflammation, making it ideal for overall wellness. How to make turmeric golden milk. Warm up a cup of your favorite milk, dairy or plant-based. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption of curcumin, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Stir well and enjoy this soothing drink before bed or first thing in the morning. Benefits of replacing supplements with natural drinks. Now that we've gone through these 3 incredible health drinks, you might be wondering, why should I switch to these natural options instead of sticking to supplements? Here are a few key reasons. 1. Bioavailability. Natural drinks like Aloe Vera juice, Spirulina smoothies, and turmeric golden milk contain nutrients in their most bioavailable form. This means your body can absorb and use these nutrients more effectively than it can with synthetic supplements. 2. No fillers or additives. Many supplements on the market contain artificial fillers, sweeteners, and preservatives. When you make your own health drinks, you know exactly what's going into them. 3. Cost-effective. High-quality supplements can be expensive. By switching to natural alternatives, you can save money while still nourishing your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Bonus recipe. As promised, here's a bonus recipe that combines the benefits of collagen, protein powder, and multivitamins in one delicious drink. Superfood. Wellness. Smoothie. 1 cup of coconut water for hydration and electrolytes. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel for collagen-boosting benefits. 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder for protein. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder for anti-inflammatory benefits. A handful of spinach for extra vitamins and minerals. 1 banana for natural sweetness. Blend everything together and enjoy. This smoothie packs a punch with its blend of hydrating, collagen-boosting, protein-rich, and anti-inflammatory ingredients. It's perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout recovery drink. By replacing collagen supplements, protein powders, and multivitamins with these 3 natural health drinks, you're giving your body everything it needs in a pure, holistic way. These drinks will support your skin, muscle, and overall health, all while being cost-effective and easy to make at home. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it when you use my affiliate links in the description. It helps me keep bringing you content like this. Let us know in the comments which drink you're most excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on natural wellness. Stay healthy, stay glowing, and we'll see you in the next video.